We just want to give a response on Ministry's view or position regarding the waste management in Walvis Bay, specifically the management of landfill site in Walvis Bay, and also to talk about the burning of tires, which have irritated a lot of people, especially the citizens of Walvis Bay. The ministry is really concerned and troubled by this development, as many other people in Walvis Bay. And we have been engaging municipality for some time now to see how we can resolve this issue. But maybe just to give a bit of a background, we are together with the city or municipality of Walvis Bay to see how we can address these unfortunate circumstances of where we are to end up with a landfill that now is unmanageable or an issue that cannot be managed by local authority. Yes, we understand that part of the problem has been because the land where problems are being experienced are outside the local authority jurisdiction. It's within the Dorob National Park, but the municipality has been utilizing this land for some time now, managing the landfill, which has been part of the Dorob National Park. We have communicated to municipality that as a ministry and as a government, of course we are all together. This is a local government, but the central government, by extension represented by the municipality, we need to see how we resolve this one. Now, when it comes to land issue, we have already communicated to municipality that ministry have no problem to give this land to municipality, and we have already started the process of degazetting that part of the park for it to fully be given and be managed by the municipality.